Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Havoc Rider, and today I'm bringing you the second part of the Suzuki demo day at Fowler's in Bristol. I am now on the Suzuki VSTROM, and so far, wow. I've literally only just pulled out of the dealership and I'm already impressed. I just rode the GSX 8R, and even though they use the same engine, this is a night and day difference. Absolutely night and day. The seating position on this is so much more comfortable. It just feels good. I mean, the handlebars are a little bit strange. I don't know. I don't know what's up with them. They might just want to go forward a tad for me, for my height. But the rear seat has this nice little lip, just where my lower back is, and it's just cradling me ever so slightly, and it's perfect. It really just helps to keep you in place. So there's that parallel twin low down torque. That we love. A nice thumpy engine. Yeah, with a very nice soft suspension, it's just cushioning all the potholes and bumps in the road. It's a very, very comfortable ride. And I've got her set in the most powerful mode, so we can get the most out of her. Now, I have ridden the 1050 VSTROM, which is a little bigger than this, and that was a very capable machine. It was very comfortable to ride. It held the road really nice. It had that really sticky, planted feeling that I really like about some newer bikes. I haven't had much of a chance to find out whether this does that yet, but I'm looking forward to finding out. Nice big mirrors as well. I think the 1050 is designed a little more for long distance, whereas the 8 is a little more commuter focused in my opinion. It does have, the D8 is the off-road variant, so it can do off-road stuff, or your trail ridings. And in a lot of cases, a lighter bike for off-roading is better. Especially if you're fairly new to off-roading. I'm starting to get used to the handlebar position now, how wide they are. Yeah, it's starting to feel a bit more normal. And what I like about the wide handlebars is it does give you a little bit more stability. You got more control over the handlebars. Let's get her over. Yeah, she leans nice, she's nice and sticky. So kind of normal speed cornering around 30, 40, 50. It's got that lovely stickiness, which I really enjoy. I will always keep saying that. That is the primary feature I'm looking for in a new bike. And a lot of it is down to tyre choice, but other factors play into it, like wheelbase, balance, handlebar width, things like that, power delivery. All of those things are perfectly formulated on this bike. I would like a little more weight over the rear end, but that can be achieved with a set of luggage. You stick some saddlebags on this thing, hard boxes, and a top box, and I reckon it balanced right out. Gear shifts are nice and smooth. I am using the clutch at the moment. Pretty sure he said this one had a quick shift. It does. It's a typical Suzuki kind of quick shifter. It's very stiff, very clunky. Probably alright if you're going quick. That's what I'm talking about. That's more like it. Yeah, corner's absolutely perfect. God, I hate the beginning of farming season in the UK. Everything just smells like shit. Standing is a doddle. Not a problem. Yeah, standing is great. Everything's in the right position. You still maintain great control of the bars. I've got access to the foot controls, like an upshift, like a downshift. Might be a little difficult with chunky adventure boots on, but with my trusty Risha slicks, it's not a problem. You've got plenty of real estate on the bars as well, so you can mount pretty much anything. Although if I had a quad lock, I'd probably want to mount it kind of on the windshield bars there. There we go, dual carriageway. He looks like he's good to go. Look at that absolute beast of a pickup. She's no slouch, for sure. She'll keep up with most. What a fantastic bike this is. You know, I think I'm having more fun on this than I did on the Africa. I hate to say it because I absolutely adore the Africa. And compared to the Transalp, I'd still say this is better. Well, the Transalp was nice and it had heated grips and stuff, but this just feels more comfortable, more obedient, and a bit more well balanced. Everything you do on this bike just feels quick, even if it's not. It's just absolutely filled with adrenaline. It's dramatic. It's probably the best word I can use to describe it. It is a dramatic bike. And even though they use the same engine in this and the 8R, this is the better bike. I'd be a very happy bunny if I had one of these. And in fact, I might. So, in conclusion, the Suzuki VSTROM 800 DE, a very capable, very dramatic machine. I'm absolutely in love with it. It does everything I want it to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a like and a comment if you did. Let me know what you thought. Sub if you enjoyed the video, and ride safe, stay shiny side up, and I'll see you in the next one. Sure.